We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're looking at an HP CM6040, and this particular printer's been getting a replace fuser message. So we're going to show you how to replace the fuser. It's a pretty simple process. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your power is turned off. The power switch is located on the right side of the printer next to tray 2. So make sure the power turns off. Once the printer completely powers down, you're going to unplug the power cable, which is on the right side of the printer as well, all the way towards the back. Once you're unplugged, you're going to see a gray handle on the right side. You're going to pull it towards you and open this door as far as you can. And then here's where your fuser is actually located. And you'll see there's two large blue handles. You want to turn those blue handles out towards you. And then behind those blue handles there's a blue tab with a little image showing locked and unlocked. We want to unlock both of those tabs by pushing them down so they lay flat instead of standing up. Once you have them unlocked, you're going to grab each handle and pull straight out and remove the fuser. So once you have the fuser done, we're going to reinstall the fuser and slide it right back in. There we go. So now that the fuser's been installed, we're going to lift these locking tabs back into lock position by making sure they're standing vertical. You'll feel them kind of click, and we can push our handles back in. Also, whenever you receive a new fuser, you'll see that they actually send you a new little air filter. The air filter is located just above the fuser, and there's a little tab on the left side of it. If you push that tab, it'll pull straight out, and you'll install your new one. Once you've installed your new air filter and your new fuser, go ahead and close the door. Plug your printer back in and power it back on. And just like that, it'll go ahead and reset the fuser and you'll be back up and printing.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.